This is a cabling line process. The 1250 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 cabling machine is used to twist together multiple insulated conductors to form a cohesive cable core with controlled lay length and uniform geometry. Here, the filler is added between the twisted conductors to maintain the roundness and shape of the cable, providing a smooth surface for subsequent layers and preventing gaps. This is the taping machine. The taping machine wraps the twisted and filled cable core with protective or insulating tape, such as mylar or non-hygroscopic tape, to improve mechanical strength and insulation. This is the meter counter. The counter measures the exact length of the cable being processed to ensure accurate production, cutting, and quality control. This is the capstan. The capstan provides a controlled pulling force to move the cable smoothly through the line, maintaining consistent tension and speed across all stages. At the take-up point, the finished cable is wound onto a reel for storage, transport, or the next stage of production.